Hello my friends, how are you? Today I will teach you the way of modeling and annotating this model using AutoCAD 3D. I'm using Civil 3D 2018 version. Don't get panicked. By default, AutoCAD has already been included in this program. First of all, open the software. Then you will have such a welcome screen. Go to the template drop-down menu. Then select this AutoCAD ISO 3D.dwt. Click on it. Then you will get such a user interface. Then go to custom view and make it parallel. That is a must. Then bring this ISO cursor to the left hand corner. Then we will start our work. I think you can see the model which I am going to model with you. Before that, make sure you have turned this 3D modeling on. If it is not so, please turn this 3D modeling on. Now that is pretty good. Then I will select this square command. Then I will specify the first corner. It is okay. Then I have to give the dimension of two legs of my square. That is 192. Then press tab. Then you have to give the width. That is 128. Now press enter. Then you have to zoom this in. Okay. Now that is okay. Then I am going to give the required thickness to this square. For that, go to this press pull. Then select the specified region. Then click on it. Then you have to bring your cursor up and down. It is going downward. It is going upward. Then you have to type the specified thickness of that. Since my thickness is 20, I will make it that 20. Now that is okay. Then go and select this copy edges. It is here. Then if you want to rotate, you have to press shift button. Then press mouse wheel. Then you can rotate it fully. Then if you want to zoom it in, you can use the mouse wheel scrolling. First of all, go to this copy edges. That is okay. Then select this edge. Press enter. Then this is the base point and select from it. Okay. Then you have to specify the next point. Before that, make sure this auto has been on. Otherwise, your commands will get wrong. Now I need to bring this edge 32 points away. I will make it 32. Then press enter. Now you can see it went 32 points away. Then what should be done? Then you can see diameter is 35. Then what should be done? Then I have to offset this from 35. For that I will use this offset command. Then I will make it 35. Then press enter. Then select this one and I will offset by 35. Then what should be done? Then I have to give the next edge. For that again I will go and select this copy edges. Then I will select the edge. Press enter. It is from here. I have to bring it 42. It is like that. Then what should be done? Then I have to draw my circle. How to do that? The diameter of the circle is 35. Then what should be done? It's better to zoom it in. Then go to the circle command. Then go the 2-point circle. Then you can start from here. Then you can end from here. It is like that. Then what should be done? Then you have to remove the unwanted parts. For that, type TR, press enter and again enter. Then it will show you the unwanted parts. Just select it. Then what should be done? Then you have to cut this edge from the base plate. For that, go to the press pull and select the region and click on it. Then press down. Then you have to select the cutting edge. It is like that. Now you can see I cut this part from my base plate. That is very easy. Then what should be done? Then I am going to draw this edge. How to do that? There are so many ways. I will use one way. Then you can use the other ways also. I will go to this box. It is like that. Then that is a specified first point. Then I will go there. Okay, you can see I have to give the width of this box. How to do that? I will stop it from here since this is my cutting edge. What is my thickness? That is also 20. Okay, then I will give the height of this wall. What is that? That is 110. Okay, now there is an issue. Here you can see your wall has gone away from the edge. How to resolve that? That is the press pulling option. Click on it and bring it here. It is okay. Do the same. Click on it and bring it there. You can see now it is okay. Then what is the issue? Then you have to give the fillet. What is your fillet? That is 80 radius fillet. How to give that? Select this fillet command. Then select the filletable edge. It is here. Then what should be done? Then you have to press enter. Then they are telling select the fillet radius. That is 80. You can see now it get filleted. See, that is very easy. And also you can see there's another fillet here. What is the dimension? That is 5 in radius. How to do? You know the thing. Then go to the fillet, select the fillet edge, enter the radius, that is 5, then enter and make it enter. You can see it got filleted beautifully. Then what should be done? Then you have to draw the box type thing in the base plate. That is also very easy. There's a tricky part here. I will show you the way of doing that. First of all, I have to define the edges. For that, I will hide this object since I don't need this one. I will right click on this, then go to the isolate object, then I will hide isolation. It is like that. Then what should be done? Then I will select the borders of this box. That is very easy. I will select this copy edges, then I will copy this edge, enter. Then you know the distance, that is 45. Okay, you can see it is here. Then what is the next edge? That is 17.5 plus 45 plus 17.5. What is that? That is 80. Then you have to add the thickness also, that is 20. Then it will be 100. Then I think you understand the process. Click on this, enter. Then this is 100. Okay, now what is this? This is the region of your box. Then you have to give the next edge also. How to do? Go to the offset command, then it is 80. Okay, and I will go there. Then I can bring the hidden part again. Right click on this, isolate object in isolation. Then I have to go to the press pull. I will select this one. What is the height? That is 60. Okay, then what should be done? Then you have to prepare the grooves of this box. How to do? That is also very easy. Go to this center diameter thing, then select the face. This is the face you are working. Then zoom a bit. Then this is the midpoint. If you can't see this object, you know how to on this. Go to this one. Go to object snap settings. Go to 3D object snap and make sure wanted snaps are on. Then select the face. It is here and that is 45. Done. Then what should be done? Then you have to make this groove. For that, go to the press pull, select the boundary and go to the cutting edge. Now you beautifully prepared the groove. Now there's another thing available. What is that? You have to prepare another groove, but it has been situated in the mid of this one. How to prepare that mid? That is a tricky thing. Go to the copy edges and this is edge. I will enter and from here and this mid path. Now it is here. Then what should be done? Then I have to select this one. Then I put to the end of the circle. Then I can select the mid of this. Then I will go to the circle, but that should be in radius center. I will select this one. Then I will come to this. This is the midpoint. Then my radius is 9. Okay. that is also fine. Then how to press pull? When you are press pulling, you can see it is selected in two parts. How to avoid this? That is also very easy. I will select this part. I will right click, isolate object, hide selected object. Now it got hidden. I will delete this line. Then I will again end object isolation. Now you can see it is available again. Then I will go to press pull, select this, and this is the edge. Now you can see my groove is available. Then what should be done? Then I have to draw this triangular part. How to do? To do that, there is a special method of doing. I have to go to this unsaved view. Then I have to go to the front thing. Then you have to turn this grid off. Now it is available. I will go to this polyline. Then I will select the triangle part. For that I have to turn off this auto. I will draw the triangle. And it is okay. Then what should be done? Then go to the extrude. Then select the part. Then press enter. Then you can see what is the thickness of my triangle. That is 25. Now make it okay. Now there's another thing. You have to prepare the circular groove here. For that I will again go to this world thing. Okay. I will select the radius circle thing. Radius center. And this is the face I need. I will select the midpoint. Then I will draw radius is 20. Then what should be done? You know the procedure. Select this one and groove it away. Then all parts has been prepared fully. Another part is available. Only this one. I'll make this fillet as 5. How to do? Go to the fillet thing. Select the edge. Enter. That is 5. You can see it got filleted. Then my task is over. Then what to do? Then you have to remove these lines. For that there's an easy method. Before all, you have to connect these parts together. You can see these have not been connected. You can see one part. This is another part and this triangle is another part. Then you have to go to this solid union thing. Click on this and click the wanted parts and press enter. You can see now it is a one object. Select it. Then hide isolate object. Then you have to delete these lines. Then you have to again turn these isolated objects on. Now you can see them. Then if you need to give a color, you can give. How to do that? Click on it. Go to properties. Then this is a color. You can give any color you need. Any color you need can be given here. I'll make this as block thin. If you need to go to the yellow color, that is available. You can see it is yellow. But I will remain in the default color. Then I will tell you the way of annotating this. For that, go to the annotate, and it's better to create a new annotation. I will go to the manage dimension style. Then I will make the new. I will make this as my 3D. Continue. Then I will make the text as 5. Okay. I will make this as 5. That is okay. Close fill. Fine. Primary units. Okay. Okay. Then I will make them okay. But when you are annotating a 3D object, there's a special way. Before that, I will show you. Here you can see several modes are available. This is hidden line mode. This is realistic mode. This is shaded mode. This is normal gray mode, sketchy mode, X-ray mode, and wireframe mode. I will go to this hidden line mode. Then I can do the annotation very precisely. I told there is a specific way of annotation. How to do the annotation now? You have to select the face initially. Then go to this one. Then I will make this as face. Then I will select this face initially. This face. Then I will select this one. Then accept. Then I will go to annotate. My 3D one is okay. Then go to the align dimension from here to there. That is 45. Next one, I'll make it from here to there. That is 172. I will bring it away. Fine. Here to there. That is 32. I'll make it here. No matter. Then I will go to radius thing. Okay. Radius is 17.5. When it comes to diameter, that is 35. You can see. That is 35. I will continue it. Like that, I can do any annotation I need. Then what about next phases? Then you have to select those phases if you need to annotate on them. I will do several. Then I will go to home. This one. This is my face. I will select this face. Okay, then I can annotate on this. Annotate, align, here to here. That is okay, 17.5. Then I will press enter. Here to here. Again, 45. Here to here. 17.5. Think that you need to annotate on this face. Go to home, go to face and select this one. Accept. Now it is on here. Go to annotate. Come to radius. Now you can do anything you need. And I think I don't need to spend more time on behalf of this sort of annotation. I think you can do it your own. And here you can see the fully annotated model of mine. Then we will meet with such a 3D modeling video as soon as possible. If you have any issue, you can make me aware. I will do my best to make you rich with knowledge. If you are a newcomer to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I wish you will share these contents among your friends to make them rich in knowledge. Then we will meet with another video as soon as possible. I am Madujith.